So come on in, I'm going to give you a room tour. This is room 121 on the Viking Gullveig, I think is how they've been pronouncing it. Something that I wanted to do differently was give you a tour after we had unpacked everything. Storage space wise, I have put like medicines up here. They do give you shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, body wash, which we've already put in the shower, little cups for toothbrush holders. Down here is a storage area where I have put like the shaving kit of my husband's and some like our medicines that I brought. So the shower wise, you know, it's got the double doors, but it's still rather small for a shower. You know, I can't even stretch out my arms. One thing to note is that it does have the heated floors, which you can like adjust the temperature on. Feels really nice. Coming into the room, there are some hooks here that you can hang some stuff. I am hanging our bags that we will want to use daily for. Okay, don't judge all the clothes that we packed because we probably did overpack, but on this side you have plenty of hangers. Down at the bottom is where I have put my shoes. You have your safe area and then some shelving. So I put like my husband's pants up here, shirts, undie socks, that kind of thing, and then his shoes over here. Over here is going to be 110 volt plug-in. Here is where you can adjust the volume of the announcements. This is your audio boxes that you're going to take for your tours, so that way you can listen to the audio. We brought lots of snacks because after dinner the only thing that's available is pretty much cookies. And sometimes we get hungry. Down here, you've got your mini fridge area. You've got 3 drawers to store stuff. So in this top drawer, I just kind of threw my makeup in there, all my hair products, that kind of stuff. This is the hair dryer that Viking provides to you. It's very small, but it did work pretty good today. This second drawer is where I put like my undies and socks and that kind of stuff. And then the third drawer is where I put all my pants and sweatshirts that I'm going to wear out for the excursions. You've got your vanity area. Here is another 110 volt plug-in. And then you've got a little stool here. I did bring some magnetic hooks. And so that's where we have attached our laundry bag to. It just kind of keeps us a little organized. Over by the beds, on each side of the bed, you have 110 volt plug-in. You've also got the light switches that will control the lights. There is one little drawer that pulls out. It's not a storage drawer. It's like a place that you could write on. And then underneath there is just a little storage spot. That's where I put all my thermal since the weather is kind of cooler. Over on the far wall where you see the belt and the jacket hanging, those are magnetic clips that I brought so we could hang some stuff on the walls. There's very limited areas for the magnetic areas, so that wall over there was pretty much it, and this little space here. Under the bed we were able to put our suitcases. We closed them, we shoved them underneath there to get them out of the way, and that's pretty much it. I will show you, you won't be able to see it, but we are in what they call the swan room, so we've got a little bit of a window here, I guess ocean view, but it's river view. And just to give you an idea of the height, so I'm like 5'1", so that's about where the window starts to see outside. It's nighttime right now, so you can't really see anything. We're very happy with the room. The storage space is a little tight, but we are overpackers. We're always going to be overpackers. So I say if we can fit all of our stuff, then you probably can too. But again, this is room 121 on Viking Gullveig. Gullveig, Gullvig. Make sure you like and subscribe to TC Getaways. Thanks.